Hello and welcome back to the Kitchen Journal. This early 5:30 in the morning. We get this much light in the morning, so we'll give you a short update on what's going on now in our garden now that it's giving us a lot of vegetables. We're pretty self-sufficient in terms of vegetables lately. So yeah, come, I'll show you around. This early 5:30 in the morning, and this is how much light we got at this time. Yes, the sun is rising. And this is our homestead garden. And we'll give you a quick tour around to see what's going on. That's a lot of lemongrass. Yeah. Hi.
Hi there.
Hi there. Harvesting okra. Yeah. Look at those beautiful flowers. There's okra there. There is. And over here, the cucumbers. Ah,
You get there?
get plenty. Over here and over here. And above it is the mighty pumpkin. And over here we got plenty of, what are those flowers, Dada?
Male pumpkin.
Male pumpkin. Okay, there is male and female pumpkin. Over there is a dog. Hi. Hey.
Daniel.
Oh, that's a lot of cucumbers. We got big one here and another big one there. And there's a joiner. Hey! He's hunting for chicken. Are you getting them? Yes.
Cucumber.
You don't like it. I do. And over here, there's a serious habaneros. Oh no, peppers.
Bell pepper.
Bell peppers going on. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Bell peppers.
Local.
It's a local one?
Yeah.
Okay. Harvest for the day. We're not over yet. We got plenty for lunch. Calamansi. Always got plenty of calamansi. Oh. A female flower.
Male.
Male. Okay.
Like this one.
Okay.
Might be a second one.
So you have to pollinate them
Yeah. Maybe.
in order to produce charot. That wraps up our morning date in the garden. And we haven't been to the farmers market anymore lately because we are enjoying
Look at
our
the
little
pond.
harvest every day. The last time I was here, they were still small and they're just growing so quickly. And they are different varieties
Yeah.
in there.
With
And,
beans at the bottom.
there are beans in the bottom, intercropping them, I guess. What's the purpose of intercropping them with beans?
The beans provide the nitrogen to the corn.
Oh, the beans
And,
provide
the corn
nitrogen?
provide a stock for the beans to grow.
Okay.
And there is some squash.
So they complement each other?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
And there is squash which will provide shade to the corn to grow.
All right. That makes sense. Looking forward to corn harvest. I don't know how soon, but they're growing so quickly. Look at those.
No flower yet. And there is a dog.
And there's a dog. Hey there, Mr. Jim. So this is the opo. Opo is like a gourd. It's not a bitter gourd, but it's more on the bland side of vegetables. So here, you get here, and he made a trellis. If you can see from far, it's how it looks like. Okay, come closer. And over here in this trellis, we got bitter gourd as well. It's still flowering at this time. And some cucumbers. This trellis, if you come closer, there's a big pumpkin right there. Almost bigger than my head. It's pretty cool, isn't it? There are more flowers coming up. And yeah, cucumbers here and there. Over here are talong. You get plenty of flowers. We're gonna have eggplant soon. So.
No. Sit and wait. Come here. Sit. 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 Sit and wait. Wait. Sit and wait. And look.
Look! I got it!
Sit and wait.
He's been chased by a bird.
Yeah, because they are going to the nest. Sit and
Oh,
wait.
have you been
Wait.
touching the nest?
Oh, wait. Sit and wait. Sit and wait. Good dog. Good dog. Okay, come. Yeah, come, Jim. Yeah, good dog.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh. That's it for today, guys. That wraps up our morning. We have the little harvest for the day. And yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, I'm gonna go and get my coffee.